Hello everyone, my name's Logan. I'm with G4GR Resources, and today we're going to be talking about the Disto D810Touch. So as you can see here, we have a color screen that is also a touch screen. So we can pan through here, showing the many different apps that we have, such as a calculator, compass, level. We also have a camera to help take our measurements with that gives us up to 4 times magnification. So the first app that we're going to be talking about today is distance. So we're going to go into our distance mode here, and since I am closer to what I'm going to be measuring, I'm just going to use the laser. So I want to know how far this shelf is from me. So I'm going to go ahead and take my measurement, and I am 10.2 feet away from the shelving unit. The next app that we're going to be talking about is Midpoint. And if you're ever wondering how to use one of these apps while you're here in the function screen, you can click on the question mark and it'll give you a little diagram showing how to use the different applications. So we're going to go ahead and jump on in here. You can use your hand on the touch screen to make coarse adjustments to your edges, or you can use the plus and minus keys for a more fine adjustment. So we're going to go ahead and get everything lined up here with this shelving unit. I'm going to go ahead and turn the laser on, and I'm going to be using crosshair on the screen to get my measurement. So we can see that our is 9.8 feet across. Now, as you can see, I'm moving around as I take these measurements, which can affect the accuracy of it. But you can use a tripod with the Disto that will give you a higher level of accuracy for these types of measurements. The next app that we're going to be talking about is height tracking. So if you need to know the height of any object, you can use this app. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a measurement of the bottom of the object that we're wanting to measure, using the shelving unit here as the example. And then we're going to take a measurement of the top. And this is showing our angle and distance to what we're measuring. And here at the bottom, it gives us our final height of the object that we're measuring. If we jump back out to functions here, the next app that we're going to talk about is point-to-point measurement. So point-to-point is great for getting the distances of, say, an awning on a building or something that you'd normally have to get on a ladder to be able to get these measurements. So we're going to go ahead and take a measurement of this shelving unit. We've got our first point. And our second point. So right now, the information it's showing me is angle of my measurement, and here at the bottom, it's showing the height difference in between the 2 points that I just measured. Using the favorite keys that I have preset here at the bottom, I can flip over to my camera, and I can go ahead and snap a picture of what I just measured to be able to tie that in with the measurement data that I'm taking. The next app that we're going to be looking at today is 90-degree point-to-point measurement. So we're going to go into the app here, and we're going to take our first measurement at the angle. Let's measure this doorway. And then we're going to take our 90-degree measurement. Giving us 5.88 feet across. I hope you found this information helpful. I hope you have a great day.